So, my friend Ren is going to check out the car, and Puddin's going to help, and Ty's going to help, and I could not be more grateful. This is the kind of thing that nomads do for each other on a daily basis. A lot of times, I don't post it because I try and respect everybody's privacy, but this is huge to me.
That's her story.
Watch the engine just come out.
Don't say that.
Actually, the
That would be bad.
So, honestly.
Have you been to the junkyard out here yet?
I didn't know there was one.
There's one right up the street here. So you should go in there. They have 1972 Ford F-Series trucks.
Yeah, see what I mean?
Well, you're moving me on this side too there.
No, but
Yeah,
you see
right
that
there's
click?
your plate. Yeah, I feel that.
Yeah, that's what's causing it right there. That's a bushing.
So I did call it. It was the right front tire.
Well, yeah, but we still gotta take all this stuff off the top.
We're gonna have to take this tire off and find out which bushing it is.
Well, that's the easy. So let me check it out. Let me go to get to the. I had to do it one time. I was driving my car and I hit a curb on ice. Just right into a curb.
Verdict is bushing. We will see.
So I had to adjust the length on the steering there between the two tires. Yeah, so to make them match. But it was like this. Like they were way off.
How'd you do it with a tape measure?
Yeah, with tape measure, just keep adjusting.
Yeah, what's that doing now? If you get a real good measuring point and talk to the perfect
I will let you know when we figure out something else.
Hey, Ty!
Yo.
Yeah. See, that side won't do it, so it does this side. Remember the clicking you did on this side? It's not doing it on that side.
It's not clicking, but it still looks like there's a lot of play.
It's got playing.
It's not the play up here though, it's further in. Yeah.
The tie rod was one theory. Another one was motor mounts, and another one was...
Motor mounts?
Someone said it was my motor mounts that were rattling around, because she heard it too.
The bottom of your car looks good, actually.
Yeah.
That's what I thought, and the guy in Texas is like, well, it was all rusted, blah, blah, blah. Like, really?
Yeah, motor mount sounds like a bit of a... I don't really believe that myself.
And then CV joint was the other one. Was the other theory.
No, those go clickety click when you turn out of a corner.
Yeah, that's what this does. It clunks.
Well, only when you turn right pulling out of Walmart.
Right, left, backing out, doesn't matter what I'm doing. Every time I turn the wheel now, it clunks.
And you feel it through the steering wheel?
Even just driving when you, even just driving when you put the brakes on, it'll go clunk.
A maintained clunk, like over and over?
No, it's a giant clunk.
TV joints sound like it'll do that when you turn right out of anywhere, out of any gas station.
Yeah, but that's not what this is. It didn't do that before. This isn't a normal thing. This has just been getting worse over the months, and it's one thing that nobody wants to work on because the tie rod, if it is the inner tie rod, it's so far in there that this car is so compact, nobody wants to work on it.
Is it better or not, or is it?
No, it's going. It's better. Okay. It's not this bad. If you want, give her a little wiggle there. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Well, this one's had grease.
Did you see this over here?
See what?
Yeah, that's much better.
Yeah.
Wiggle the tire back and forth.
Yeah, so
watch
look,
this bushing right here.
Between these 2 points, you see that movement? You shouldn't have that much movement in there.
Oh, yeah.
So that's part of it there for sure.
So that's a bushing.
That's a good place to start.
You want to pop the tire?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to need some... You're going to need some new rubber here, I'd say, before
I know,
the end
and
of summer.
that just happened.
Put something under the tire there. Just wipe it on one side.
So, apparently, handheld isn't going to work. Ren broke one of them, the sockets on it, so they're looking for an impact drill. But we're having a hard time finding one, apparently. So, keep you updated. I realized lately I haven't really had any videos showing you guys camp. So, this is what we're surrounded in. This is Craggy Wash, boondocking site. And I'm trying to get Ren and Ty to climb up that mountain today. they're not too tired from working on the car. And that's my backyard. Still looking to see if I can see my tent from here. It's right there. It is. Way back there. A little red tent. That's mine. So that's my backyard. It's all the way around. Right.
The ones that are spun are the ones that are crazy. The rest of them are 19s.
Okay.
Yeah.
So just this side looks like it got fucked up.
Yeah. There's one or two of them.
Okay. Fuck. No, I might have to run to Harbor Freight and just grab an individual socket or something.
It's a tough cookie, huh?
Those are on there.
I know.
Somebody put.
They were put on with an impact drill, so.
Yeah, they put the fear of God into those things. So.
That's probably me too, half the way, because I'm always paranoid that my wheels are gonna fall off. So I was like, make sure they're tight. Make sure they're tight. I guess he made sure they were tight, huh?
Well, let go.
Rocco! He's so great. Hi! Hey, Mike.
Hi, Butterfly. I hope all is well with your car.
What do you think of all this, huh?
Well, it beats a regular day here.
Well, on a regular day here, people are always doing stuff like this.
Yeah, but we aren't, you know.
Yeah, we just watch.
Yeah, we just watch.
We're kind of useless, huh?
No, we're useful. We tell people what to do. There you go. Yeah.
So
Right.
everyone
That's why we
needs
keep Mike
instruction.
Yeah.
Work or not work?
See over there. Pipe. Go ahead. Oh, shot. I put everything I had.
Wow.
Hey, Rocco. Hello,
The
buddy.
e-brake, is that going to kill that? Stop doing that?
Possibly there is an e-brake. See the wheels turning?
Oh,
Yeah.
dear Jesus.
Now breathe so you don't get a rush.
Too late.
No, Predator Jeep. Yeah, not enough air pressure.
Hang up.
That was cute, Puddin.
I have like a 3.
Do it again.
Those are fun.
Yeah. I was cute. Yeah.
Yeah. I just use them on wood.
I'm mostly metal.
Yeah, bring it. You want to take out this jack thing?
Yeah.
Keep going. Okay, and you're just touching now. one more. All right, so we'll just do the one side here. You want to bring her back down just a little?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Let's try that. Get any love out of here.
Nope.
Wow.
Fucking kidding me?
All right, we better take that other jack stand out then.
Yep.
So.
Holy shit.
Is the e-brake on? Did anybody put that on yet? Or no?
It is in park.
No, Brent.
It's in park, but I'm guessing.
Get the other jack stand out.
The e-brake.
So, jack it up.
Yeah, but it was moving.
Just don't touch nothing.
Yeah.
Just don't touch nothing yet.
Oh, it's okay. All it did was it just dragged the
rolled
jack.
Yay. Go Ty.
See if you can get the other ones off.
Well, at least we know it is a 19. But
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take a hammer and I'll try tapping them on the flat here.
Okay.
I don't have a rubber maul either.
I do.
Do you?
Yeah.
I got a
It's one lug nut.
Oh!
Oh!
Nice save.
Are you okay?
Yeah, make caught the edge of it.
Looks like we need a piece
Yeah.
of
If it's pushed all the way up, it'll stay, but it's loose.
But if it moves even a little, it'll come all the way down.
Yeah, like any jerking movement might make it come down, so don't put your fingers in there.
I think she warned me about that before.
Yeah, I did.
That's the one you just.
The hydraulics are kind of old, so.
And you want me to jump on it?
If you feel like it.
I'm a little heavier than you. Hopefully it wouldn't take as much. That's nice and it's pretty and it's orange.
Yeah. These are just so chewed up.
Probably from them fucking beating them on.
That one's better.
That one went on.
Rocco.
You might get a little bit out of that, I don't know.
Come here.
So, there you go. Popped it.
Nice.
I want to get your hand too. You ready?
Good idea.
That's two.
That's two.
Those.
Deuce.
3 to go.
That's one with Lucy, wasn't it?
No, this one.
Got 2.
Man, that's a dead blow hammer too. Shit.
He's covered in dust.
Yeah.
That's one I would expect to see in Roger Rabbit.
Yep. Put the
I
whammy
mean, you
on.
gotta think this is an upstate New York car too, and it's been there about pretty much its whole life until I took it down here. So the salt, the dirt that they put on the roads, like everything, all the cold freaking wet ass winters. I'm sure that's enough to wart the freaking.
We
I don't know how we're going to get these other ones.
We're not going to be able to.
They're all so chewed up.
So we need an actual shot with a
You gotta be shitting.
just to get your tires off. So
Because he tightened them so tight.
they're rolled.
Yeah, they're all rolls, like you can't get shit on here. Only 2 of them we can take off, and that's
And it's
it.
the same way on the other side. There's at least 3 that were rolled.
Yeah.
Get the choppers.
Good chopper.
That's cool.